The breath hold technique is used when treating sites that can be affected by breathing motion, such as lung, abdomen, or breast. For left breasts, deep inspiration breath hold is commonly used to minimize cardiac toxicity. This treatment method is proven effective at preventing cardiac perfusion defects when used for heart sparing in left breast treatments. For breath hold patients, Alight RT Advance provides a fast, streamlined, and intuitive experience while enhancing patient safety features. Successful breath hold treatments start in simulation. A free breathing and breath hold scan are used. The free breathing scan is used for initial treatment setup and allows the patient to be positioned comfortably without holding their breath. It also sets the couch position, ensuring separation between the heart and chest is achieved via breath hold. The breath hold scan is used for final setup and treatment. Once the breath hold plan is completed, approved, and imported into Alight RT Advance, the initial positioning in the treatment room begins using the free breathing surface. Align the patient to the general location of treatment ISO center, then use Alight RT Advance SGRT technology to begin monitoring for patient setup. For optimal patient setup, the user can first utilize the Alight RT Advance postural video subscription feature to ensure the patient is in the proper postural position. Postural video provides outlines of the reference surface superimposed onto a live video stream of the patient, showing a real-time view of the patient's overall alignment relative to the reference position. This is a great tool to visualize the patient's postural alignment at the ISO center position, as well as ancillary surfaces such as the arm and chin. The user can see a camera eye view from all three camera pods to ensure the best postural alignment possible. Once gross misalignments have been resolved, fine-tune the patient setup using the real-time deltas, which demonstrate where the patient currently is and where they should be in real time. The real-time deltas generated are based on the selected ROI. Continuous real-time feedback facilitates a fast, accurate setup that reduces the need for repeat imaging. Next, switch to the breath hold surface and coach the patient to reach the proper breath hold. This can be assisted by the real-time coach. The real-time coach supports the patient in achieving the proper breath hold. It's positioned so the patient can easily see the screen. This tool helps the patient better visually understand if they need to take a deeper or shallower breath. The patient has achieved the optimal breath hold amplitude when the moving bar is in the middle of the white threshold window. Once the patient's ready to treat, mode up the LINAC and instruct the patient to take a breath in and hold. When all real-time deltas are within tolerance, treatment can commence, and Alight RT Advance will continue monitoring for intrafraction motion management throughout the treatment. Because Alight RT Advance has the ability to monitor the patient in all 6 degrees of freedom, if the patient attempts to arch their back to achieve the correct vertical displacement, Alight RT Advance quickly identifies the position is not the same as in true breath hold. If properly licensed and configured, once any degree of freedom is outside of tolerance, for example if the patient moves or cannot hold their breath any longer, Alight RT Advance holds the beam until the deltas move back into the predefined tolerances, thereby protecting the patient from inaccurate treatment delivery. As you can see, Alight RT Advance delivers efficient, intuitive, and accurate treatment delivery for not only breath hold patients, but every patient, every fraction. Alight RT Advance, advancing the science of surface-guided radiation therapy.